Hey there, it's Joseph, and welcome back to the YouTube channel dedicated to San Miguel de Allende secrets. And today we're going to be talking about some of the rising value of the art found here in San Miguel. As always, if you need additional information, there's links in the box below, including a link that'll take you out to Amazon that has all the books in the best-selling series, San Miguel de Allende Secrets, for sale. A type of art seen all over town called painted wood or polychrome statues have entered the world stage as desired collectibles in museums and private collections. Why? What does that mean for the art scene in San Miguel de Allende? Up until the 16th century, wood, terracotta, and alabaster were typical sculpture mediums here in Mexico. But all that changed in the 17th century as Spain championed created painted wood sculptures. One artist sculptured the wood into a virgin, saint, or Jesus. Then a painter came along and painted on top of the wood. Before that, wood statues would often be gold leaf for color and visual appeal. Now the images had flesh-toned skin, ivory teeth, glass eyes, resin tears, real hair wigs and eyelashes, all of which added to the realism of the piece. Painted wood sculptures were intended for display in monasteries, convents, and private chapels. Frequently placed under glass domes, they allowed the viewer to get very close to the art, deepening one's faith for inspiring prayer and meditation by drawing the viewer in. The sculptures were never intended to be appreciated as art objects in and of themselves, though they are now. Sculptures are more tactile than paintings, as the bodies of work take up space, just like our physical bodies do. Such vivid and realistic depictions of the subject's sufferings or joys created empathy and emotional viewer reactions. These emotional viewer responses also created discomfort, and why they had been largely ignored in museums and the canons of art history. Painted wood sculptures excel at expressing extraordinary grief and are part of the treasure trove of art in San Miguel de Allende's Holy Week processions. The Baroque, hyper-realistic sculptures aid in understanding the sadness of Holy Week, leaving a lasting impression on all the viewers. In Spain, clothing was carved separately out of wood and added to the statue like a puzzle, shown in the graphic here to the left and the x-ray that shows the tree that the original sculpture was based on. In San Miguel de Allende, the cloistered nuns from the Immaculate Conception Church raised money by making garments, so images of Mary, Jesus, and saints often feature actual cloth instead. The next time you're in a San Miguel de Allende church or antique store, look around for painted wood sculptures. Even if you believe in none of the Catholic faith, the art's ability to place you, personally, in that time and place depicted is extraordinary. As always, click on the subscribe button and you'll keep up to date on all San Miguel de Allende secrets.